We talk about the economy as if it exists on its own terms: growth, output, productivity. But everything begins somewhere. It begins on land. And unfortunately, that's the part we've quietly removed from the conversation. Land is not produced. No one builds it. No one manufactures it. Yet we treat it like any other asset, something to buy, sell, and hold while it rises in value. It increases not because of anyone's unique effort, but because of everyone's community contribution. As cities grow and infrastructure improves, land values rise. But that value doesn't return to the community that created it. It's captured privately. That's where the imbalance starts: rising costs, speculation, and increasing pressure on both people and the environment. If we want to reconnect economics with reality, we start here. Tax the value of land and return it to the public. Now holding land idle has a cost. Now using it well has an incentive. And the economy stops working against nature and starts working with it.